Hello friend, this is Maxima 2004. This car problem is customer complaint no start. This car complaint is this is the ignition coil. You see, fired up. Total ignition coil firing damage. You see, this is the second one. And this is the third one. The problem in this car in the ECU. This is the ECU. Nissan Maxima ECU for better thing. I fixed the wiring, everything. This ECU problem only this chip. You see the chip. This chip, the ignition coil chip. I changed this chip and I check the working is good by I waiting for ignition coil. This is the ignition coil chip. This is injector bank 1, this is injector bank 2. This is the common failure of the ECU, Nissan ECU. This chip, this chip, this chip. This is voltage regulator for the chip. This is the 5-volt regulator. This one. These two is power chip for control all the chip power and ground. This is the capacitor for injector. But this is the common failure. This is chip and these two injector chips. This is the idle air volume maybe. Yes, I'm this like this problem too much in this chip. Okay, thank you.